Hi, I'm the guy next door. Welcome to my show. If I can cook, you can cook too. Today, let's make Cincalok Tofu. Let's talk about a very special ingredient, Cincalok. What is Cincalok? Cincalok is a salty mash of fermented small shrimps exclusively available in Penang or Malacca in Malaysia. It is typically a Southeast Asian taste. I'm using Japanese tofu. First, let's pat dry the tofu. Shake in the grounded pepper on all sides of the tofu. Sprinkle the salt onto the tofu evenly. Coat the tofu with the flour on all sides. Be careful, you have to be very gentle or you might break the tofu. Once the oil is heated up on the pan, gently lay down the tofu. Because we are frying one side of the tofu at a time, just use enough oil for one side. Flip the tofu gently to prevent it from breaking. Please observe the color of the tofu. This is the extent of the frying that we want. Since we are saving on cooking oil, be smart. Just tilt the frying pan a little bit so that we can bathe four sides of the tofu. After you have fried until golden brown, the tofu is ready. You may want to slice it so that the condiments can seep in. Using a separate bowl, I'm going to prepare the garnish. It's basically all these ingredients: carrot, onions, chili, cut chilies, spring onions, Cincalok, as I just described to you. Put it all in. This is about 2 spoonfuls. White sugar. And finally, lime, which you're going to squeeze in. Try to prevent the seeds of the lime from falling into the bowl. Mix them up together. This will form the condiment or the garnish for the tofu. Now we have come to the finale. Just spread the condiments or the garnish onto the tofu. If you like this recipe, kindly give us a thumbs up and share my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and in the comments just give me your thoughts about this recipe, or if you have other recipes to share with me, you are most welcome. Thank you. Bye.